As the sun sets, the Great Smoky Mountains stir. For some, night brings rest. For others, it sparks adventure. The time is coming. A family's quest will unearth a journey only few have seen.
There's a big storm over here. Better back down the hatch.
A place so mesmerizing, only those brave enough to dive into the darkness will illuminate a world of wonder. From the creators that brought you Wild Eagle, Lightning Rod, and Big Bear Mountain comes the single most ambitious adventure Dollywood has ever imagined. Introducing NightFlight Expedition, the first ride of its kind in the world. 4 thrilling adventures in one attraction. Soar above the Smokies. Plunge into whitewater rapids. Climb majestic mountain peaks. And dare to navigate beyond the familiar, deep into the heart of the night, and discover the light. The time is near. Are you ready to see what happens when the sun goes down? NightFlight Expedition. Coming 2026. Only at Dollywood.
Love every moment.